got a great idea. Why don't you pull out the phone, put it on camera, scan the QR code in the corner? Because listen, we have not only the great information from your warnings and watches and all that kind of stuff, but just in case something happens with the allergy index or the UV index changes and all that. And that UV index, that's going to be a thing for this week. But first of all, take a look at some of our 24-hour totals from this morning's rain. I mean, we had over 1.5 inches in Seaford, over an inch in Lewis, Harbison, and close to that for us in Millsboro and Rehoboth Beach. And then this just kind of came in here, last minute additional information in Bridgeville. We had almost 1.5 inches that fell from just this morning alone. Now, it's been kind of drizzly and cloudy throughout the entire day, but that's not going to stay that way. In fact, we're looking for a consistent clearing pattern to occur. But right now, it stays a bit on the gloomy side along the entire coastal region. So it's Monday, and I know it feels every bit of Monday, but Tuesday's going to feel a whole lot better. It's going to feel like Tuesday, okay? We have a cold front that's going to begin to whisk its way from the northwest. Now, it's going to drag with it a lot of cool air. And that flow coming out of the northwest will be drier air, cooler air, and we have lower dew point temperatures or lower moisture in the atmosphere. So that's going to make it feel that much cooler. In fact, you know what? Might be time to break out the jacket this week, believe it or not. Now, take a look at Tuesday, for example. All of this moving out of the west, but we're looking at about 15 to 20 mile per hour winds. So it's going to be almost a wind chill situation for us. For tonight, for tomorrow morning, we're looking at sunshine and temperatures in the 60s to start off. But look at where we start off, 58 degrees. I'd say that's long sleeve weather at the very least. By noon, we're looking at sunshine in 72, 74 by 2 o'clock, and 75 by 4 o'clock. So we are expecting the sunshine to be a major part of our forecast. So for Tuesday, for Broadkill, Rehoboth, Dewey Beach, we'll start off near the 60-degree mark. Look at the winds out of the northwest, and then by 4 o'clock, 70s throughout the inland areas and near 70 to upper 60s along the coast. Then for Wednesday, we go to 66 degrees in Ocean City and 54 in Berlin, Newark, Ocean Pines, and Snow Hill. But as far as Wednesday afternoon is concerned, it gets a little bit warmer, but not by much, because temperatures will still be a little bit below the norm for this time of the year. Because look at the trend here. Listen, we're going to go up a little bit on Wednesday, then we're going to basically fall off here down to like 71 degrees by Saturday, because the cloud cover is going to come back and we're going to watch out for rain. Speaking of Saturday, by the way, so here's what's going to be happening Saturday. We have a little bit of disturbance happening out towards the water. It's going to make things interesting for us, but it's just going to set the stage for a chance of scattered showers. Here's a look at your Paul Davis Restoration and Home Remodeling extended forecast. We'll have that chance of rain that'll creep into the forecast by the weekend and going into all of next week.